drain the oil, use a 13mm wrench. Sometimes it's a 15mm wrench. And take the drain plug out. Make sure you have a drain bucket below to catch the oil. The oil's drained out. Just put the drain plug back in and snug it down. Now we're going to remove the level sensor. You're going to use a pick, preferably a hook style pick like this, or even a 90-degree pick will work. And then just try to get underneath the clip of where the connector is. Just pull up. And disconnect the connector. So what you're doing with the pick is trying to get under there and just lift up. Just slightly, you don't want to crack it. And disconnect that. Now use a 1 1/8 socket. And just loosen that. Once you crack it free, you should be able to spin it by hand. Take that off, and it looks like the O-ring got stuck to the side of the oil pan. Take that off, and just slide it out. And take the level sensor and carefully slide it in the hole. Then you can torque this to 115 inch-pounds. Make sure you're on inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. And take the plug, line it up, plug it back in. And now we can put the appropriate oil in. Use a funnel. All right, put the cap back on. Now when you first start the vehicle, you want to take a look at this oil pressure gauge and just make sure that comes up fairly quickly. So this is the first time starting. Just watch that gauge, and it came up pretty quickly.